Hello, welcome back to my channel again. As promised in the previous video, I'll be doing a quick review on Team Transport C, which is number 7, 8. No, which is number 7, 8 and 9. Sorry about that. Take a quick look. We have 3 different cars here, and in fact that we have 2 BRE Datsun in this case, but I'm going to show you only the 3 different sets. So the first one, 66 Supernova Rhetoric. This is the Rhetoric. Actually I quite like this one, of the gasser car with the word black hole here. Quite nice actually. Number 66 on the side. It's a gasser car, Supernova, and the black is actually on the matte side, rather than it's not really shiny, it's matte. And you can see here a nice little detail on the rear light. Okay, the truck, number 7. Take a closer look on the outward, and then notice here is BLK HOE, black hole. And if you are a gasser collector, you will like this. The second one, JDM lovers, you will like this. Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX Sakura Sprinters, car number 8. The truck. And anyone know what this means? JDML. Quite simple design actually, in my opinion. So JDM for Legends. And we look at the Nissan Skyline itself. A JDM collector must have car. Number 19 on the hood. Look at the artwork. Must have for JDM collector. The last one, the ever popular BRE Datsun 71 Datsun 510 Fleet Flyer, car number 9. So some BRE Datsun wording on the side of the truck. And BRE 68. The popular design, the slash blue and red, BRE Datsun. And the car itself, Datsun collector alert. This is a must have for you. The artwork, as usual, fantastic. Up to now there are already 9 different Team Transport being released, and the next one will coming in 1 or 2 months, and I will review that one as well once I got it from my distributor. Also let me know in this Team Transport C which one is your favorite. Number 7, 8 or 9. I assume that a lot of people will like this one, BRE Datsun. Let me know what do you think in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.